Okay, y'all, we doing the food review today on some motherfucking toxic waste, but fuck it, you only got one life. I'll detox. Nigga, at least I'll be knowing. Yeah, but I'm at the Mickey D's, you feel me? Finna get this new hot honey chicken sandwich, finna see what it's talking about. Cause I'm on my last hoorah of bullshit eating, and I'm gonna tighten up. You feel me? When the new year really comes, spring, I'm gonna eat right, y'all. But yeah, this my motherfucking food review. I'm gonna post it on YouTube. I'm gonna put the link, I guess, in my bio. I don't know. Shit, or in the comments. Let me get the hot honey bacon McCrispy.
The meal?
Yeah.
Medium or large?
Medium.
And what's the drink?
A high C, light ice.
What else?
That's it.
That's plenty, please.
Okay.
$7.79.
I should have used it out. But I'm doing the review, man. Hold on, let me whip the other phone out. Let's see if it reaches a Wi-Fi. Hell nah. But yeah, gang, shit, I guess I'm gonna have to edit the video. It's too much space in between. I can't play the music. Tight time. But yeah. And y'all, I make custom merch too. This my network man hoodie. It say believe on one side, hope on the other side. You feel me? I do one-on-one customs, you know. I just ain't been promoting it. I've been campaigning, you know. Ain't nobody trying to shop with you when they feel like you nobody. So yeah, I've been on that too. Boy, this line long. This line long, yo. Let me show y'all the line long. Dumb long line. And but we in here though. We moved up a car. We have moved up a car. What is this? I guess I'm gonna do it like the them folk on the app be doing. I'm just gonna eat it in the car. You feel me? Do a bite test of everything. You feel me? And then tell y'all what I think. And go back and edit it. I'm posting it on YouTube though. And go follow me over there. Cause I gotta start putting up the ass. I'm on my Keith Lee right now with the food review. We all know this some BS. But that's how you start doing the BS. I ain't trying to spend no whole bunch of money. Shit, for y'all to not watch. Fuck. Got me fucked up. Turn the heat off. It got hot. I hate spending the 20, man. I hate busting 100 down.
$7.79. I got y'all people. I ain't got time.
We in this thing. I meant to tell him no bacon, man. But messing with my granny, bro, I done had about the last 4 years worth of pork, nigga, in a couple months. So I ain't even eat no pork. None of that shit. I wasn't even eating ground beef, bro. I was on some fish and nigga vegetables and fruit and shit, nigga. Spring water. Look at me now. We gonna get back right though. I'm telling you, this year, bro, is the power up. Y'all finna see some shit that's rare. You don't normally see, kid. Like, damn, that nigga did a 360, bro. That nigga, like, bossed his life up like no other nigga. I'm the realest nigga in it. Y'all already know. Won Trapper of the Year 4 times in a row. What it is. Fishtail out the parking lot doing magic. I wonder if the top dirty. I feel like the yeah, that mother dirty. It's not a vibe right now. We gonna turn that into a blooper. Fishtail out the parking lot, leave magic. Bro, I'm probably gonna tear up my first Hellcat or Scat, nigga. Like, not wreck it, but I'm gonna dog that bitch. I'm gonna dog the fuck out that bitch. If I get a truck, that bitch gonna last forever. I'm not dogging that bitch. I don't know how people be dogging a truck, bro. That bitch supposed to be making you the money. Why you even got a truck if you don't use it for nothing? Like, that shit's crazy. Like, okay, you bought a boat, big deal. You know you go to the lake once every 8 years. Appreciate it.
Have a blessed one.
You too. We still in this thing. You hear me? I ain't even seen no commercials for this. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I was up here the other day. Give me a 20-piece chicken nugget. That's why I posted a 20-piece chicken nugget. Fuck. Make up for it. Shit. Yombi. Let me slide right here. See what this high C talking about. I'm finna go in there and get another high C. 0 stars on the high C, McDonald's. What the fuck? That shit tastes like watered down. It's light ice. It shouldn't be watered down already. It's already watered down. All right, we're gonna see about the fries. Just like I remember. The fries get a 7 out of 10. They could be crispier, they hot, they got the salt. The fries get a 7 out of 10. Now we got the barbecue, honey hot. That's what it's looking like, y'all. Barbecue honey hot. I give it a 8 out of 10 on looks. I give it, that motherfucker good for real. On God, that bit good for real. I give that motherfucker an 8 out of 10. I give that motherfucker a good 8 out of 10. Here you go. The fries, 7 out of 10. The high C, you know what? I'm gonna drink your water down. I don't even feel like going back in there playing with them folks. The high C gets a fucking 0. Fucking 0 out of 10.